Welcome back. It's now time for your Midday Sports Report.
Courtney Dowdy, the head coach of Jamaica Women's Premier League champions Fraser's Whip, says his players will be better off for the experience of playing in the CONCACAF Women's Champions Cup. Dowdy's team suffered a third straight defeat in the inaugural tournament on Wednesday night as they lost 7-1 to Tigres of Mexico at the National Stadium. While the game marked the first time that the tournament was being played in Jamaica, it will also be remembered for the first goal scored by a Jamaican team as David Richards converted in the 55th minute. Despite losing 5-0 to both Alajuelense of Costa Rica and Monterrey of Mexico prior to Wednesday's game, Dowdy still felt there were some positives to take away from the experience.
You know, we scored a goal, and I think it's a proud moment for us. You know, we are punching above our level, and you know, playing at home against a Tigres team, it's always going to be tough. You know, and preparation leading up to this game has been rough as well because you know most of the girls gone back to school. But scoring today, you know, it shows that we are going in the right direction.
The defeat leaves Fraser's Whip without a point at the bottom of the group after 3 losses from as many matches and a minus 16 goal difference. Tigres lead the group with 6 points from 2 games. Head coach at Arne Garns FC, Xavier Gilbert, says Sunday's 3-0 victory over Dumbarton FC in the Jamaica Premier League gave them an opportunity to fine-tune some aspects of their game as they take on Police FC of Trinidad and Tobago in the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup this evening at 7 at the Hasely Crawford Stadium. Arnett are currently at the foot of Group A following their 2-1 defeat to Mount Pleasant FC last month. Police, who lost 4-1 to Cavalier in their last game, are on a point after 2 matches as they drew their opening contest 1-1 with Real Hope. After scoring 20 goals in their opening 2 matches in Group F, many-time champions Jamaica College will hunt their 3rd victory in the Issa Manning Cup when they host Excelsior High at the Ashamayim Stadium. JC has had 9-0 and 11-0 wins over Pembroke Hall and Ascot High respectively. In their only game so far this season, Excelsior hammered Bridgeport 7-1. In the opening game of the doubleheader at JC, Pembroke Hall will play Ascot at 1:15. In other games today, Wilma's boys host St. Mary's College at Michael. Denham Town travels to Edith Dalton James, while Tivoli Gardens High entertains St. Jago High, all at 3:30 p.m. Finally, the Trinbago Knight Riders defeated defending champions Ghana Amazon Warriors by 5 wickets in the Caribbean Premier League at the Queen's Park Oval on Wednesday night. Sent to bat, the Amazon Warriors posted a below-par 148 for 7. Romario Shepherd top-scored with a late order 51, while Tim Robbins made 34. Sunil Narayan and Wakar Salam Keel took 2 wickets each. In reply, TKR left it late before posting 149 for 5 off 19.2 overs. Jamaica's Andre Russell blasted an unbeaten 36 from 15 balls, including 4 sixes and a 4. Tim David also made 31 not out. Nathan Sauter took 2 for 37 for the Amazon Warriors. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thanks, Renardo. And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Carrie-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.